Okay, Jeff Lambert here, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. It's August 25th. It is, excuse my hand, I'm so sorry, 7 o'clock. And we're doing a rejuvenation on the home where the school zone was at. We wanted to wait till it was late and the roof was super dry. There we go. Got the other side done, getting this side done, and then we'll be getting the back and garage. We should be done hopefully by 7:30, and then just doing our prep work to clean up. Just wanted to do a quick video showing you it's spraying and how it's drying, starting to dry over there, or what we like to say is starting to set, and then still drying or setting, and then just applying. All right, I'm gonna let you go. Take a video as soon as we're done. Swing back around again tomorrow if it's not raining so we can take a look at it again. All right, thank you.